Once somebody buys their home and has their home inspection, they may still have some questions about their house and about all the things that were revealed in the home inspection report. Home maintenance is a primary responsibility for every homeowner. And it doesn't matter if the person has lived in several homes in the past or this is their first house that they've purchased. Staying on top of a seasonal home maintenance schedule is important. And an InterNACHI certified home inspector, a certified professional inspector, can help a homeowner figure this out so that they never fall behind. A homeowner should never let minor maintenance or routine repairs turn into expensive disasters due to neglect or simply because they're not sure what needs to be done and when. A home inspection report is a great place to start. In addition to the written report, checklists, photos, videos, and what a home inspector says during the inspection, not to mention the seller's disclosure and what a new homeowner notices during the inspection themselves, it sure is easy for a new home buyer to be overwhelmed. However, it's likely that the inspection report included mostly maintenance recommendations, life expectancy for some various systems and components, and minor imperfections. And all of these are useful to know about. But the issues that really matter from a home inspection fall into four categories. Major defects, such as a structural failure. Things that can lead to major defects, such as a small leak due to a defective roof flashing. Things that may hinder someone's ability to finance, legally occupy, or insure a home if it's not repaired immediately. And then there are safety hazards, such as an exposed live bus bar at the electrical panel. Anything in these four categories should be addressed as soon as possible, right after a home inspection. Often, a serious problem can be corrected inexpensively to protect both life and property, especially in the first two, especially in category 2 and 4, where you can have things that can lead to major defects and safety hazards. A GFCI comes to my mind. A GFCI can protect your life, and it's only $30. Most property owners, most sellers are honest and are often surprised themselves to learn of the defects that are uncovered during a home inspection. And it's important to realize that sellers are under no obligation to repair everything that's mentioned in a home inspection report. No house is perfect. Everyone should keep things in perspective as they move into their new dream home. And homeowners need to remember that homeownership is both a joyful experience and an important responsibility. So they should be sure to call on their local neighborhood InterNACHI certified professional inspector to help them devise an annual maintenance plan that will help keep their family safe and their home in top condition for years to come. InterNACHI believes every home should be inspected every year. And a home inspection should be part of a homeowner's routine home maintenance plan.